Hello!
Hi, girls! Ngayon lang po kakanta yung mga bata ng ganun eh.
Okay.
Let's hear it.
Let's hear it. Rehearsal to, relax to, wala tong points, wala
okay
tong
lang, okay lang. Kung magkamali, okay lang.
Pwede kang tumalon,
Feel
sumaya.
free.
Practice to, practice. So, Aliana Trio, we could clearly see their bond, pero kailangan pa mas precise if they do decide on choreo. And yun nga, parang they have to hear each other kasi minsan hindi nag-harmonize properly. Pero we see the fire, we see the talent, it's clearly there. And konti na lang, they'll be ready.
Hindi namin in-expect na kaya din po namin yung ganitong song. Lalo na po
Kaya nyo nga,
kaya.
Like, sasampa sila ng stage. Naging iba yung like, transformation eh.
Partagula na.
Tapos pa yun yung like, okay na po kami. Salamat po.